Cooking y'all up some yummy, tasty, crispy chicken. All right, for the dry dredge, everything is the same. Black pepper. Make sure you get a lot in there. You want us to mix her. You're gonna mix this all around with our whisk. Some paprika, onion powder in there, garlic powder. Should get a good amount in there because you want that all into your chicken and into the flour. And now our salt, not too salty, but we want quite a bit of salt in there, into our batter. Now let's go ahead and whisk that around to incorporate all of that in there. So we have every bit of this covered. As you can tell, it changed color, and that color came from the paprika. So you just keep on rolling that around. Now let's get our wet station done. Now for our wet station, I have 4 eggs. You can use up to 5 of these. Just crack, put them in there. Rest that aside. Crack them all. Make sure put them all in there. Now, the rest it aside. Let's go ahead and put in our seasonings. First, start with my garlic powder. A lot of that. Onion powder. Quite a bit of that. Some paprika. Again, we want our chicken thoroughly seasoned. Black pepper, and then we're gonna put in some salt into that dry dredge, we would call it. Now we're gonna whisk this around, and last but not least, I have a surprise for you. Sparkle water to give it that fizz. You hear that? That's it fizzing. And a little bit of flour, just a little bit, not much. 1/4 teaspoon of flour just to give it a little bit of whitening and a little bit of body to have it stick. From this part, we'll have a little bit of flour, and when we put it in the dry dredge, it's going to give that crispiness. But that sparkle water is going to give you that crunchy flakiness. The last piece of chicken breast into there, onto the rack. Let that sit. Let them all glue onto the chicken. Get ready for the heat. Let's put our chicken in. The fat's ready. Grab our chicken, press it in there, and let that cook. That fry down. Let's get another one of those. We're gonna go 2 at a time. Put those in there. Crispy, just like that. Let those cook down. Gonna spin them a little bit. Spin them around. That's what you want to see. See that crispy look? Comes some really tasty chicken. Look at that sizzle. Go and check it out. Chicken steaming. That's what we want to see. It's already doing well. You can see that crispiness is getting brown now. It's been in there for about 4 minutes. I'll let them sit in there for another 8. Let's take out our first batch of chicken thighs. Look at that KFC level right there, boy. Crispy. Woo! Love it. Let's get out the other one. Look how flaky that looks. Crispy, flaky, tender. Rest those on the rack. Get my other ones here. Put in another batch right into the fat. Get another one. Always let it go away from you, not to you. So you don't want that fat to come back at your face. I only can do 2 at a time because my pot's not that big. So let's let that cook down. All right, you can see right here. I still got one more going, but I'm not gonna hold you. Let's go ahead and do a taste test. Let's do some quality control. You get the first bite, I get the second. You hear the crunch, that taste, amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the next video on chicken. Let that burn. Cook down right there. See you all in the next one.